Hello, it's Arco. And today we want to make a sandy slime. Before the video started, please be sure to click on subscribe button. Now let's start the video. This recipe gets you just about as close to borax quality slime as possible. It is stretchy and go away. It will have a grainy texture, though, like sand. You will need white school glue, baking soda, contact lens solution. Then, just follow these directions. Pour 1 cup glue into a bowl. Pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Pour 3 drops of food coloring, and it's optional, you can use any color or don't use. Now combine well. Add 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. Mix well. Continue to add a tablespoon of contact lens solution and mixing until you get a nice consistency. Playing with the dough will firm it up more, so if it seems a little soggy, just knead it for a few minutes. Now enjoy with your homemade sandy slime. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Good luck.